In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hierarchy in Smartsheet. We'll start right from the Smartsheet homepage. This is your central hub where you can access everything you've built and create something new. From here, look for the option to start a new project, program, or process. This is the quickest way to spin up a fresh workspace for your work, and it keeps everything organized from the start. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Templates are great for speed, especially if you're working in company management or operations because they come with pre-built columns and best practice layouts. However, if you want absolute control over your structure, go ahead and start from scratch. That's what we'll do so you can see exactly how the hierarchy is built. Next, choose a new workspace starting point. This helps you keep your sheets, reports, and dashboards grouped together as your initiative grows. Within that setup, select Table. A table is the simplest canvas for building your structure and is perfect for demonstrating hierarchy. Once your blank sheet opens, it's time to input your data. Use the primary column to list your top-level items such as projects, phases, or major deliverables. Below each of those, add the related tasks or sub-items you'll want to nest. Add any additional columns you need, like assigned to, due date, status, or percent complete, so your hierarchy will be useful for tracking, not just organizing. Consistent naming and clear descriptions will make your rollups easier to read later. Now let's create the hierarchy itself. Look to the far left of your rows and find the right arrow next to a row you want to nest under the item above it. Clicking that arrow indents the row, turning it into a child of the row above. Repeat that action to nest as many levels as you need. This is how you build a clean parent-child structure. Parent rows at the top, with related child rows tucked neatly underneath. After you indent, you'll notice that parent rows can be expanded or collapsed. This makes long sheets much easier to scan. It also enables helpful summaries like rolled up dates, progress, or budgets depending on your column formulas and configuration. If something doesn't look right, simply outdent a row to bring it back to the top level and re-indent as needed until your hierarchy mirrors the way your team thinks about the work. That's it. By starting from home, setting up a table, entering your items, and using the right arrow to indent, you've created a clear hierarchy that keeps your work structured and easy to manage.